How to fix TikTok error unable to authorize on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, you can also toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can simply go ahead and force restart the TikTok app. So swipe up on your screen and then force restart TikTok along with all the apps running in the background in order to give the app a fresh restart. See if that helps, and if not, open TikTok and make sure that you are entering the correct username or email address or phone number or password. And if you are unsure, then you can also tap on the forgot password option and then re-enter your password. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and make sure that the TikTok application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then update the app, as an outdated version of TikTok may cause login and authorization errors. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing software issues affecting app authentication. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on date and time, and make sure it is set to set automatically, and if not, then set it to set automatically, as sometimes incorrect time settings can improve or prevent secure login verification. See if that helps, and if not, then the last resort is go back to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok application. Further, tap on the remove app option you see there and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Delete the TikTok application and reinstall it from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok error unable to authorize on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.